Myself, and I am the co-founder of Kolhapur. In 2011, we started this revolution of Kolhapur. So what is Kolhapuri? Kolhapuri is a brand of handicrafts. Kolhapuri is a brand from Kolhapur. We started with trading the handicrafts activity from Kolhapur, the handicrafts that are well known from Kolhapur. But a time came when we found that just the trading activity is not going to suffice the requirement of the market, as well as it is not going to fulfill the requirements or the needs of the artisans. So we thought that we should develop a craft right from the scratch. So this was the thought that that came into our minds, and then we started towards revolutionizing each and every craft that we have developed the clusters into. So this is how the journey started, that is from trading the handicrafts and then from manufacturing it from the scratch. What we have done is we have started developing the community of these crafts. Let me first explain you the 4 crafts that we are into the manufacturing. The first craft that is of Kolhapuri Chappals. It's a GI craft. It has got a geographical indication, which means the products that are made by Kalapuri, the Kolhapuri Chappals that are made by Kalapuri, are the genuine or the authentic Kolhapuri Chappals. The second craft that we have developed is of traditional Maharashtrian jewellery. Again, it is a craft which is made by 400 women artisans from a place called Yergud, which is again my native place. The third cluster that we have developed is of Terracotta handicrafts. The fourth cluster that we have developed is of handmade baskets. Even the craft is not from Kolhapur, but then in 2017 we started this craft from scratch. So these are the 4 crafts that Kalapuri has developed till date. How we develop these crafts, how we develop these communities. What we had done is, we first identified the craft in which we wanted to work. So that means identification of the craft was the first step we had taken in these long 7 or 8 years. And after identifying the craft, we identified the pain points of the artisans. What are the pain points of the artisans? The artisans, what issues they are facing, what are the problems they are facing, why the craft is not getting that much, the craft, even it is having the potential of getting a global recognition, why the recognition is not yet achieved, or the remuneration that the craftsperson should get, why he is not getting that much remuneration, or why are the pain points attached with that particular product. We identified the pain points of the customers as well as the pain points of the artisans, which means that we have found out the pain points attached with the backward integration as well as with the forward integration. And here is the role that Kalapuri plays. So Kalapuri basically is a platform where we manufacture the handicrafts, we provide a global platform to the artisans, and the products or the handicrafts that are made by the artisans are sold through this platform. We not only give preference to their handicrafts, but we give preference to developing the community, and then later comes the development of the craft. So this is the small, a brief video of what Kalapuri has done till date and what Kalapuri wish to do from here. So I request you to shop online on www.kalapuri.com to support a noble cause of ours, a noble cause of Kalapuri Foundation, and do shop on kalapuri.com. Thank you.